how to edit a post on Reddit mobile. So it's very easy, just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Reddit first like this, and right now go and click here, open your profile. So in your profile you will find now your post. For example, I want to edit this post. If I click here, there is no options to allow me to edit, so I will just go click here on mode, and it's open this window. What I have to do, I will go and click on there is no edit here also, so right now what I have to do, I will click on the post like this and go right now on this three dot, and I will find the edit. I will edit it as I want and click save. And that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And